Hey guys, looking to get your camping season started? Start right here with Avalon RV Center, now part of the RCD RV family. We are at our North Ridgeville, Ohio location, and behind me we have the Keystone Hideout 38 FQTS. Let's dive in and check it out. This Keystone Hideout is a 2-bed, 1.5 bath, so you can bring your friends, you can bring your kids. There's going to be a space for everyone to sleep and get ready. And starting with the main space is your kitchen, entertainment, and dining area, all in the same area. You have your big screen TV if you're on soundbar, so get the party going. And you have your fireplace right below that. If the weather is not in your favor, you can bring all those campfire songs into your RV. You have your sofa, which also flips into a sleeping space. So not only is it those 2 bedrooms that, yes, those are the privacy bedrooms, but out here you have a other sleeping space as well for anyone extra you want to bring. The dining seats 4 people. You could also always put a chair at the end to seat 5. This kitchen has a massive sink for all the dishes you're not going to feel like doing, but you're going to have to do them because no one likes a dirty kitchen. With prep space, a 3 stove burner cooktop, you have your microwave oven to get the cookies going, and you have some storage above your sink for cups, plates, etc., along with some storage below for utensils, hand towels, all that extra stuff, measuring cups if you're actually going to get to cooking in the kitchen, which I hope you do. This kitchen is definitely chef worthy. That is your entertainment main living area. Let's go check the first bathroom and the first bedroom. All right, into the bathroom we go. Your medicine cabinet, your sink, some storage below for toilet paper and cleaning supplies. You have your potty, of course, and you have the shower. I love the rounded glass of these showers. In this wardrobe space, I love to see it. You have a rod for your hanging clothes, but you can also fold clothes as well, and you have 2 drawers underneath that. So if you think you're an overpacker, no, you're not. Along with that wardrobe space over here, you also have wardrobe space to the left of the bed and above as well. And can't miss the bed. Super comfy and will ensure you a good night's rest. And if you made it to this point of the video, go ahead, give this a like, give it a comment, let us know what your favorite thing that you've seen so far is, and keep watching because now we're going to check out that last bathroom and the last bedroom. You don't see many second bedrooms having that second bathroom attached to their room, but in this case, this one does. So you'll have the same size medicine cabinet, you have your sink, toilet, and you have your bed, same as the first bedroom, super comfortable, give you a good night's rest. If you thought the first bedroom was the only one offering you a crazy amount of wardrobe space, you were wrong. You have your tall wardrobe with the rod for hanging, or again, you can fold on the flat part. You have your 2 drawers for the folded clothes, along with over here, another compartment for whatever you need, and a little table space for maybe your keys, because you can just, actually I haven't showed you that yet, hold on. I mentioned the keys because you have dual entry, so pop your keys here. If you need to go somewhere, grab them, and you're out. And there you have it. That's the Keystone Hideout 38 FQTS, perfect for you and your family. And if you're interested, you can come to Avalon RV Center, now part of the RCD RV family in North Ridgeville, Ohio.